Welcome back. It is 6:44. In your health news this morning, there's a new opioid treatment center open for business in Milledgeville. Patients who qualify will get medication and counseling services to help with their addiction.
Jessica Cha visited New Start to understand why they say opioid treatment is needed in the community. She also heard from someone who's battled addiction themselves.
Body aches, pain, sweating, probably the worst pain I've ever gone through.
These are just some of the withdrawal symptoms that Charles Kofer, a longtime advocate for opioid treatment and recovery, remembers.
After joining the Army and while I was, I ended up getting addicted to heroin and opiates.
Kofer says he entered opiate treatment at the age of 21 and never took them again. He continued to struggle with substance abuse with other drugs for more than a decade before becoming clean in 1999. But he says programs like New Starts works for opiate addiction.
To help with the people who are sick locally from doing opiates and heroin and fentanyl is a wonderful thing.
Is to treat people with opioid dependency.
According to New Start co-founder George Coley, Milledgeville is underserved for opiate treatment. And he says Georgia's numbers are telling.
In 2020, 1,300 people died from an overdose in opioids. The statistics will show you that medication-assisted treatment facilities such as ours, they reduce that number by 60%.
Coley says one of the biggest dangers in the opiate world is fentanyl.
So what do we do here? We keep people alive. We keep them off the street. We keep them from going and getting something that they have no idea what they're putting into their bodies.
When you come to New Start's opiate treatment facility, patients that qualify for the program will come here every day to take a dose of methadone, which will help curb their withdrawal symptoms. So they'll come in, they'll sign a waiver, take their dose, but that's all done in private. They also offer counseling and personalized treatment plans, but they say they only have one mission.
We're really building a treatment plan to get that patient back onto the road of recovery, back to restoration into the community, back to getting their families back, their children back, their jobs back, basically bringing a wholeness back to the community.
In Milledgeville, Jessica Cha, 13 WMAZ News.
That's great that they have that service coming to town there. Now the closest opioid treatment facility to Milledgeville is in Macon.
So Coley and his partner expect to serve 400 to even 500 patients in the community.